friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Literally, because today we are running out of time. Sometimes it seems like days go by in fast forward. A minute ago, it was 9 a.m. and I blinked, and now it's 11. But after doing a conference with the Writers Atelier team this past weekend and being on a really fun workshop with Ariel and Raquel, I am feeling way more inspired to work writing in when I can. Work with the time that we have, whether it is 5 minutes while waiting for a coffee order, staying up a little extra late, not too late, we don't want to be like writing till 5 in the morning. Enjoy the process of writing and getting to be creative and getting these ideas out, do the thing, and you absolutely got this. Subscribe to the channel for more motivation and inspiration. We are getting very close to 100 subscribers, and that is really exciting. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone! My camera battery is dying!